Welcome back, everybody. How you doing? Morning, greetings. This is day 427. No, I'm playing on 427, but bruh, quarantine, this corona, COVID-19, whatever you want to call it, it's trash. Trash. I bought food a couple days ago. I turn around, all the food gone. It's that my kids eat when they're bored. Yo, daddy, I'm bored. Can I have a bag of chips? How is a bag of chips gonna make you feel any more not bored? I don't rewatched every episode of Dragon Ball Z Super. It's like, bruh, this needs to end, bruh. I went to Walmart, actually today, and I couldn't find no food. Like, it's nothing but like snacks and like unhealthy type stuff. I couldn't find no bread, I couldn't find no rice, but that's not healthy neither. But still, you know what I mean? Anyways, I hope y'all being safe and whatever. I don't believe in this shit. You know what I mean? I feel like it's a big government scam. That's my personal opinion. If you don't like it, go suck your gal. But the homie YERRRR, Anthony from Miami, is driving up. He's gonna be putting in a new cluster, the whole Bluetooth one that you guys seen on IG. If you do follow my IG, I'll link it down below. And we're gonna be doing the switch panel, the whole push start, all that little fancy airplane shit, click, 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 click. But yeah, let's get to it. But finally, YERRRR drove up from Miami.
Miami? Shit, more like
all right.
Keys.
Homestead.
Yeah, there we go.
He acting like it's down there, exit 1 or something.
2 hours, nigga, 2 hours.
But you feel me? Wiring up the switch panel now.
So hopefully it works. You know, I ain't got extra shit with me today.
If y'all boys are interested in the switch panel or the dash that you about to see in a little bit, I'm gonna leave all of his contact information down below.
Shit, I almost left the dash at home, bro. Well, I did leave the dash at home. Had to make a U-turn.
That boy playing with that 2-hour drive. There go my ignition wires. It's gonna be no more key. Get it right.
There's little wires here, in case you want to run something else with it.
All right, cool.
So obviously, if you look at the panel, closest to you, right? So obviously you got ignition, starter, your blue wire is your 2, white, your 3, your green, your 4, and your purple, your 5. So whenever you go to run them, just look at this and look at these.
I know where to run them to.
Yeah.
Cool.
So like if you want to use the second one, you know the second one's gonna be blue. All right? I gotta fucking get in here. Now I don't know what I'm doing. So.
So this is the YERRRR dash, fully customizable. See if I can get y'all a better picture without the glare. Glare's coming through the back glass. Yo, that shit dope, bro.
You gotta give me some time. I'll work on your other one that we had.
Facts.
Actually, hold on. I'm gonna show you something. All right, talk to me.
Go ahead, bro.
What questions
Explain
you
the
got?
dash to him, you know?
Explain it to him.
Right now it's in what, demo mode?
Demo mode. So this is how we test them. Make sure everything's working properly, everything's reading. We put it in demo mode. We set up the overheating light. We set up the cool light, so when the car is too cold, the dash will flash like a blue fluorescent light on top. You'll see it during the second once the temperature goes down. It has check engine light, speed, cooling temp, intake air temp, voltage, air fuel, TPS, map sensor, spark, and vacuum. plus a RPM needle and digital, as well as gearing in the center of it. So just like if your car throws the check engine light, that yellow light that's flashing right there will turn on. The shift light, obviously, and that's when your car is too cold to actually function, like what is it, operating temperature? It'll flash that little blue fluorescent light at the top. It comes with plenty of different layouts. This is our layout, the one that I personally made. It also has a graph. So like people like that dyno mode. Simple and plain. Also comes with GPS, navigation. For those people that are running K-Series transmission 0506,
Gearbox.
the gearbox, if you don't have your speed sensor connected, this will run off a GPS signal for your speed sensor. There's a setting in there to turn it over, so that way you don't have to worry about, oh, I don't know how fast I'm going. You don't got to wire it to the computer. You'll see it on the dashboard. But as far as everything else is just plug and play, 2 wires, power and ground, paired to the computer, good to go.
You just need a V4 right for the Bluetooth.
You will need K-Pro V4 or Honda S300 version 3 to hook up to the Bluetooth.
That's all you guys need. Like I said, I'll leave his information down below. If y'all boys interested in the cluster, this the one. So you said what now? This got a dyno mode?
All right, so for those people that want to know like the 0 to 60 or torque or whatever readings you want to know, it also has like a dyno mode. So you can go on the street, you can hit dyno mode, you can hit start run, and it'll tell you your 0 to 60, your max speed, your torque, your map, anything, just like a dyno.
That's sick.
It also gives you a disclaimer saying, hey, you know, if you attempt this feature on the dash while driving your car on the street, you can do damage to your computer. It gives you a disclaimer on that. That's up, and you can proceed and do the run. Once you're done, you can stop doing the run
and get your reading.
It'll give you a dyno sheet, like a actual graph of what your car did. Also, if we were to have hotspot connected to the dash right now, we can possibly do, we can do navigation mode, where
so we got Navi, Netflix, YouTube,
yeah,
all that stuff on there.
Start navigation. You would come in there in the dash setup. Start navigation. You will put your location where you want it to go. Hit start, and it'll give you a pinpoint. It'll even talk to you through Bluetooth. If you had a Bluetooth radio,
yeah,
it'll talk to you and give you the navigation word for word, turn for turn on where you want it to go. But because we don't have hotspot connected to it right now, you're not gonna get any real reading on it. So, but we'll do that in a few minutes.
That's just sick.
What else is there? Oh, I got you with this too. Don't record this.
All right, guys, so everything is installed. I just need to wire up these 2 gauges for the power and ground. I closed the garage because the glare in the sun, it was just reflecting off the cluster too much. So I'm gonna turn it on and go through some of the features. All right, so once dashboard is up, see right now, everything is moving. It's in like simulation mode. It's just showing you what everything do. But if you click on top of here, head over to gallery. You have all these different faces that you can pick. You know what I mean? You even got an S2000 one. I like this hot tub one right here. G-force, all that.
Daddy, I spelled it.
Yeah, navigation. Yeah, so really, I just gotta really sit here and play with it. Find like the dash that I like the most. But when I do get my engine harness, I head over to garage. Oh, this is how you connect it. Head over to garage. Add, and then you basically connect the ECU, Bluetooth to the dash. And that's pretty much it.
Daddy, who took it off?
I did. I think I might stick with this one right here though.
White.
You like this one, baby?
Yeah. I need to say it.
I think this might be the move right here. Might keep this one. But yeah,
Good.
this is my new cluster, guys. Yeah, guys, so that's it. That's the YERRRR Bluetooth cluster, the YERRRR switch panel with the push start and the USB for the ECU. The only thing I got left is the engine harness from YERRRR. Once I get that in, I can crank the car up with some oil, all that. Good looks of Percy and Randy for coming through, helping me bleed the brakes and the clutch. I literally, that's all I got left is my engine harness. Once the engine harness is delivered, I can wire that up and we be ready to start. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you for following me. Make sure you like and subscribe, leave a comment. Until next time, stay safe and 6 feet away. Say bye.